What's up, you guys? This is Jesse's Paint Jobs, and today we're going to be custom painting a S-Works Venge road bike frame. So right here, I'm starting this bike off like any other paint job, and I'm hitting it with some sealer and getting it ready for the base coat. But I really want to talk to you guys about the paint job that I'm going to be doing today, because this one's special. This is going to be a bit of a memorial bike, and it's for a retired police officer, and it has a couple of the names of some fallen officers that he worked with during his time serving. And we're also going to add his mom's signature, his aunt's signature, and his sister's signature onto the frame, along with a bunch of other logos. So with that being said, I think it's pretty obvious that this one means a lot to this customer, and it's very sentimental. So it's up to me to execute the paint job and satisfy this customer and bring his vision to life. So we're going to be tackling all that today, as well as my goal for every paint job, and that's to give them a badass looking bike by the time I'm done with it. So right here, I just got done spraying the sealer, so I'm gonna go ahead and head out, clean this gun, and then I'm gonna grab my small gun along with some black paint and get this bike sprayed so I could back mask some logos. These are all the stencils we're going to use for all the logos that we're going to be keeping black, and then we're going to do some fine line taping, which I'll do right after we apply all these stencils. And now that I got all the stencils placed where I want them, it's time to do some fine line taping. So everything that I'm taping off is going to be staying black, and then we're going to spray this whole bike with some white paint. So here's a little close-up of what I'm doing here, but I don't want to bore you guys with this part, so I'm going to go ahead and get this done in a snap of a finger. And there it is, it's all taped up. That was easy. I'm thinking maybe I should just start staring at the bike and snapping more often. It'd make my job a hell of a lot easier. And now we can move on to spraying our white base on the whole frame. Now that I got the frame all taken care of and it's sprayed white, I'm going to let the frame dry for a little bit and jump on over to the fork, and then we'll unmask everything. So right here, I'm about 75% done with the paint job. All there is left to do is throw on some gold foil and water transfer decals. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, I was going to be airbrushing this signature in. And now it's time for some water transfer decals. I also forgot to mention that I would be adding the thin blue line across the top of this frame. And for those of you that don't know, the thin blue line symbolizes the police as the barrier between order and chaos, representing solidarity, duty, and risk that officers take while maintaining public safety. now that we got that painted on, I just got a couple more water transfer decals to take care of, as well as the S logo on the top of the frame, and then I'm going to go ahead and clear this bike all in. Unfortunately for today's video, I didn't videotape me clearing the bike in. I already had so many hours put into this bike, but now the bike is complete, so here's the finished product. And right after this, I'll show you guys what the bike looked like the next day outside. Alright, you guys, that's all I got for you today. I just wanted to let everybody know that if you ever have any questions on how to do any of this, and if you're painting a bike yourself and you don't know what to do, you could always reach out to me on Instagram. I respond over there pretty quickly, as well as if you want anything painted, you could also reach out to me, and then we could go over a couple of paint ideas you may have. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for spending time with me. If you guys did enjoy this one, make sure you leave me a like, drop a comment down below if you want me to answer any of your questions about today's video. And don't forget, we're doing a giveaway at 5,000 subscribers, so make sure you tell your friends and family to give me a sub, and we'll see you in the next one.